Alright guys, and run this for Justin. He's got the Bob Uecker Chinooks bobble. It is 8:57 p.m. January 20th. We are going to go live. And we are live. 8:57 p.m. 8:57 p.m. We are going to grab our list. 20 spots. And the winner gets the Bob Uecker. Alright, we are going to drop it into random. We have 20 entries with Nathan on the bottom and on the top. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 5. We're going 5 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 times. Dice shows a 5. Next click wins. Good luck. And 5. Congrats to Josh G in spot number 4. You are the winner. Get in touch with Justin and collect your bobblehead. We are done. 8:58 p.m. We will go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 8:58 p.m. 8:58 p.m. Here is our timestamp and here is our verification code.